guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brenda and I like to film lifestyle videos, so if you're into that kind of thing, please support my channel by clicking subscribe. So I realized in the midst of editing this video that you guys are about to watch that I did not film an intro nor outro. I failed, sorry guys, but I decided to jump in. It's a different day. This video that you guys are about to watch is an easy, realistic day of me eating. You'll see what happened in the middle of the day, but that is a realistic way of me eating. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, thought I'd jump in here because it is a what I eat in a day video, and today I had breakfast earlier in the morning. It is now around 2:30 in the afternoon and I'm out and about. I have a couple of medical appointments to attend, and honestly some days I'm just not hungry for lunch, and when it is those types of days then I just basically eat something really light. So I packed a protein bar, some pretzels and carrots. I have a dermatologist appointment. I see a dermatologist for acne. As you can see, I have some acne going on, but you know, that's realistic, and right now I'm pretty much bare skin because the dermatologist needs to see me like that. And then right after that appointment I have to see my chiropractor. So I'm gonna be out and about for a few hours. I'm just drinking water throughout the day. I brought another water bottle with me as well, and that's about it. So I guess I'll see you guys later this afternoon when I cook dinner.
Gravel road, I've been asked to slow down. Fireplace, do you know how? Piles of paper, my desk is out. Who will care for the world out? Rest with me, close to curtains, brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me, take my hand and lead even when I disagree. Oh, how I love when it rains outside, and it's okay to slow the ride. Discover books I forget about, but who care for the world now? Rest with me, close to curtains, brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me, take my hand and lead even when I disagree. Maybe then I can relax. Maybe then I can relax.
And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it was relatable in some way. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much again for being here, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.